look at people who don't age, and you call it good genetics. You're wrong. It isn't luck. It's a systematic refusal to decay. While you're busy poisoning your system with inflammatory fuel and sedentary stagnation, they are running a biological operation that keeps them at peak performance. They aren't lucky. They are optimized. They've turned their bodies into fortress-like engines that refuse to rust. Fact 1. Telomere maintenance. Telomere preservation. Your cells have a lifespan determined by the caps on your DNA. Chronic stress and toxic diet accelerate the countdown of these telomeres. The people who don't age keep their telomerase activity high through extreme physical discipline, literally preventing their DNA from fraying. They aren't just aging slower, they are actively guarding their cellular integrity. Fact 2. Mitochondrial efficiency. Mitophagy. The elite aren't just creating energy, they are clearing the graveyard. They use intermittent stressors, like intense fasted training, to trigger mitophagy. This forces the body to recycle broken, aging mitochondria and replace them with young, high-output ones. While your cells are filled with zombie engines, theirs are running on fresh, high-octane hardware. Fact 3. Insulin sensitivity. Insulin-mediated metabolic control. High blood sugar is a poison that cross-links proteins. A process called glycation. It's what makes your skin lose elasticity and your arteries harden. Those who don't age maintain razor-sharp insulin sensitivity. Their blood sugar doesn't spike, it stays stable. They don't have systemic rust because they don't give their body the glucose spikes that cause it. Fact 4. Polyphenol signaling. NRF2 pathway activation. This is the switch for your internal antioxidant defense. It's not just about eating kale. It's about consuming concentrated plant compounds, polyphenols, that signal the body to stop acting like it's under attack and start acting like it's in growth mode. They are hacking their own gene expression to turn on survival and repair protocols 24/7. Fact 5. Arterial flexibility. Endothelial nitric oxide production. Arterial stiffening is the silent killer of youth. The elite maintain high nitric oxide levels through consistent, high-intensity exertion, ensuring their vessels remain flexible, oxygen-rich, and capable of nutrient delivery. They aren't aging because they aren't suffocating their tissues. It's not magic, it's mechanics. You have the same hardware, but your operation is incompetent. You're letting your engine die while you watch, hoping for a miracle. Stop hoping. Start engineering. Fix your biology today, or accept that you'll be a shell of a man tomorrow. Evolution waits for no one.